Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a decorate for fall with me, as I will be decorating my kitchen and a little bit of the living room. So in today's video I am showing you all what I have fall wise that can be put up around the house. And so I will be decorating my bathroom in a whole separate upload just because I wanted to get this video out. And if you stay tuned to the end, you guys will see who sponsored this video. Meanwhile, I'm just pulling everything out of the bin to go ahead and get ready to decorate. First things first, I end up grabbing these two-tiered trays from the Dollar Tree. They were $5 each, and so they came with everything that you needed inside, and you just easily build the tower itself. And it did not fit on this shelf here, so I didn't even attempt to try to put it there, but I did put these shelves up on the wall, as I wanted to try to just bring something a little different. I did grab this vase and these plastic leaves and this red truck from the Dollar Tree as well. The red truck was $5, and the leaves and the vase were $1.25 each, as well as this little tin that says welcome to the patch. That was, I think, $3. Some of this stuff I had from last year and just decided to add it in, especially these candles right here that I bought from Bed Bath & Beyond, sorry. And so I just wanted to decorate around this area here, and so I have a bunch of fall mugs that I decided to put up here instead of putting on my mug rack, just because I don't want to use these. So next I'm going to head over to my hot chocolate bar area, where I'm going to start getting that area ready for Halloween and fall. So I have one of my two-tier trays over there, and I also have my mug rack that I'll keep over there for any mugs that I plan on using. I got these from Target for $3, and I got this candle from Aldi's for $3 as well. And so I'm just going to start building up my two-tiered tray using these little pieces right here. This one says fresh pig cider. I also am going to put another one of my two-tiered trays on the table to represent my Halloween decor. And when Halloween is over, I will take it off the table and add my fall stuff back onto the table. So I just got this blanket from Home Goods. It was $12.99. I want to put it on my couch and just have some type of fall blankets laying around instead of just the same old football ones. So it's time to go ahead and wash them. I wash everything that comes in this house that I can wash. Even if it's new, I still like to wash it. Okay, so I got this sign from Aldi's. It was $12.99. It is a reversible wall sign where on the front it has all of these fall bucket list items such as picking apples, baking pies, jumping in a pile of leaves, making a scarecrow, carving pumpkins, making chili, watching football, going on a hayride, making caramel apples, watching a scary movie. I wanted to hang it up. So now that my Hocus Pocus blanket is out of the dryer, I went ahead and decided to put that up on the couch first, as I want that to kind of sit behind me, and that'll be my blanket in case it gets cold around the house this fall. I also added some new pillows that I got from Aldi's. These were $10 a piece, and they just say, hey, happy pumpkin season. I also got this orange pillow that says autumn leaves and pumpkins please, to put in the middle. So the theme is mostly just like orange and blue. And so this blanket is finally finished. I'm now going to put it on the other side, and this is exactly what it came out to look like. So yes, this video was sponsored by Olafus, where they sent me some LED copper string lights in a 16-pack, and these are warm white. These have 2 layers with 8 strings on each, so 16-inch total. So you guys can see me unwrapping it here. These are some LED lights. There are 20 units, and they're LED string lights that I'm going to be putting over in my fall decoration area. And so I went ahead and opened it. When you get these, go ahead and pull the plastic piece out of the bottom. That way you're going to be able to push the on button to turn these on. So as you can see here, I'm starting to decorate and put them in certain places, and I want to have a fall decorated area, so I decided to add them over here. Thank you to the company for sponsoring this video and sending me these great LED string lights, as I wanted to bring a little oomph to my fall decor area. I will be using some of them to put over in my coffee bar area once I get that up and running. But meanwhile, just look at how beautiful it makes my fall decor area look. And all you have to do is simply just switch the button and turn them off. Thanks guys so much for watching, and be sure to comment down below what you think. And also I will have the link for these LED lights in my description box down below. And thank you to the company once again. Please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and stay tuned for more Vlogtober content.
All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wait.